Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy, and I'm so happy you are here with me. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a stunning silver mirror for your wall. It is so easy to make, is so lightweight, and so exquisitely high-end looking, but only costs $5 to make. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at creativdiy.com for all the details. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. All the materials used in this DIY video is from Dollar Tree or Dollarama unless otherwise stated. First, we will need a small to medium-sized frameless mirror. If yours has a frame, you can remove it. Or if you have one like mine, which is typically used to place candles on, then you're ready to go. We will also need a large pizza pan. If you are unable to find one, you can also opt for a clear plastic round tray or even foam board will do. As I mentioned before, although this mirror will look quite substantial, it will be very lightweight. We will also need 2 to 3 packs of silver paper foil. Dollar Tree sells them 48 per pack. We will also need a string of silver beaded necklace and a small frame. To help us with this project, we will need some white glue, some fix-all glue, and our handy dandy glue gun. Mine is from Amazon. To begin, take the small frame and disassemble it. Aside from the cardboard backing, you can put the rest of the frame aside for a future project. Turn the cardboard backing around and using your hands, gently remove the leg from the backing. Then, using a good pair of scissors, cut around the hook, leaving about 1 to 2 inches around the hook. Then position the hook to the back of the pizza pan towards the top. Once you are happy with the positioning, apply some fix-all and hot glue to it, and then adhere it to the back of the pizza pan, making sure the hook is exposed. Using your fingers, push down on the hook to ensure it is firmly adhered to the pizza pan. This is how we will hang the mirror to the wall later. While we allow time for the glue to fully cure, take the silver foils and with each individual silver foil, cut them in half so each piece forms a half-moon shape. Since the foils are so thin, you could actually cut a small bunch of them together at the same time. This will help you save some time. Then take the round mirror and using a box cutter, carefully remove the foam legs from the back of the mirror. This will help lay the mirror flat when we place it on the pizza pan later. Here you see that I am applying a few pieces of painter's tape to the back of the mirror towards the inner portion of the mirror. This step is optional but will help the mirror to stay in position without sliding around. This is so we can place the mirror down onto the center of the pizza pan and start positioning the first few foil papers around it. This is because we will be positioning the foils around the mirror before we set the mirror in place with glue. You can see here that I am positioning the foil by slightly tucking the straight end underneath the mirror. If we had glued the mirror down right away, it would be difficult to tuck the straight edges of these first foil pieces underneath the mirror. Once you are happy with the positioning of the foil paper, use some white glue to set them in place. If you need to make any adjustments, you will have plenty of time as the white glue will take a while for it to dry. And as we continue to position the foils, you can see that the mirror is starting to take on the look of a beautiful silver flower. And as we get closer to the edge of the pizza pan, make sure you cover the rim completely all around the pan. And here is what the mirror looks like so far, but we're not done yet. Our next step is to use some Fix-All and hot glue to adhere the mirror to the pizza pan. Then use some hot glue to adhere a string of silver beaded necklace all around the outer border of the mirror. The final step is to use your favorite glass cleaner and give the mirror a wipe to remove any fingerprints or glue residue. And here's the final look. The mirror is so beautiful with the light reflecting against the silver foil. Comment down below and let me know if you would like this silver version or if you would like to see a gold version. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.